how to solve 2 power x times 2 power x times 2 power x is equal to 33. Find the value of x. So, from the left side we see 2 power x, 2 power x, 2 power x. Every term is 2 power x. So, let 2 power x is substituted by t. So, our equation will be t times t times t is equal to 33. Now, t times t, that means it will be t cube is equal to 33. Now, t that means 2 power x. So, t that means it can be written as 2 power x, then bracket power of this 3 is equal to 33. Now, we have 2 power of x times 3, that means it will be 3x is equal to 33. Now, we apply log in both sides. So, log of 2 power 3x is equal to log of 33. Now, this power 3x will move to the base. It will be 3x log 2 is equal to log of 33 can be written as log of 11 times 3. Now, we have 3x log 2 is equal to here I can apply rule that log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So, log of 11 times 3, that means it will be log 11 plus log 3. Now, divided by log 2 in both sides. So, this log 2 will be cancelled. Now, we have 3x is equal to this divided by this, that means it can be written as log 11 over log 2 then plus log 3 over log 2. Now, we have 3x is equal to log 11 divided by log 2, that means remember this formula, log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So, log 11 divided by log 2, that means it will be log 11 base of 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2, that means it will be log 3 base of 2. Now, we need the value of x. So, we divided by 3 in both sides. So, divided by 3 divided by 3. So, this 3 will be cancelled. So, you have x will be equal to, this can be written as 1 over 3 multiplied by log 11 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 bracket close. So, this is the value of x. So, this is our final answer.